Hello dear student, welcome to the Christian Religion and Moral Education class of Standard 9. Today I am going to explain about true friend from chapter 6 of your textbook. We have received many special gifts from God. Friends and friendship are among the best of all. Jesus said there is no greater love than to lay down one's life for one's friends. From the very words of Jesus, we can understand the value of friendship and its significance. So, what is the definition of friendship? Deep love and intimacy between men is called friendship. Friendship is a relationship of hearts, which is present people even there is no blood relationship. In this relationship, there is an attitude of love, cordiality, caring, affection, well-wishing, acceptance, cooperation and sacrifice. Life is beautiful, but friendship makes life more beautiful. Friendship keeps loneliness away. One of the most important, joyful and attractive words in this world is friendship. The word friend gives us a feeling of happiness. Actually, friend is a relative of soul. So, we can say easily that friendship is a very close relationship between two persons. Who is our true friend? There are some qualities of a good friend. If someone has these qualities, then we can realize that person is a good friend. Now I am going to explain the qualities. At first, love and affection. We were born for love. Our birth was for to love human beings. We exchange our love and affection through friendship. For this reason, Jesus said, I do not call you servants, but I call you friends. Love is the greatest power of friendship. If there is love, we can accept a man and it does not matter what kind of man he is. Next point, sympathy. Sympathy for friend is one of the most important qualities of a friend. A true friend has sympathy for his friend. No matter what happens, he always stands by his friend and feels his sorrow. Well-wisher. He is my true friend who always wishes me the best and wants me to prosper. A true friend never wishes harm of his friend. A true friend at any condition wishes me the best. Next, trust. Trust is the heart of friendship. Mutual trust and sincerity are the foundation. And on this foundation, the other qualities of friendship flourish. A true friend is a special gift in life. Friendship is more precious than gold and jewels. We can share almost everything with our friends. Now, sacrifice and support. A true friend will make great sacrifice for the other. Jesus is the truest friend for us because he loved us so much and he offered his life on the cross for our salvation. A friend always supports his friends, but we should remember that a true friend never supports his friends' wrongdoings. Now, helping mind and attitude of sharing. Our true friends always bear helping mind and attitude of sharing. Now, freedom. Friendship does not create any border around the friends. Rather, friendship lets them grow in freedom. Thus, friendship helps them to become closer and more trustworthy. So, they can grow in freedom and help one another to become better human beings. Now the importance of true friendship. We are friendly to many, but not all are close friends. He is my close friend whom I really trust. We may have a lot of friends in our lives, but very few are the true friends. If I get one or two true friends in my entire life, then I am really lucky. If we look at the life of Jesus, we have easily understand this. One of his own apostles, Judas, betrayed him. Even Saint Peter denied him 3 times. Later, he felt extremely sorry, repentant, and he was faithful to Jesus all his life. Jesus Christ is the true friend of all. He loved us so much that he offered his life for us. Now, the essential truths about a true friend. A true friend makes a person's life meaningful. A true friend helps a person to grow. A true friend is a blessing and lovable. We get proper guidance from a true friend. True friend always reliable and trustworthy. A true friend is a life mirror who helps to discover inner self. True friends always helps to uncover the marks that we wear in order to be genuine. True friend is always there for his friend no matter what happens. So, after learning the essential truths about a good friend, we can say that without a good friend, life is terrible, hopeless, and meaningless. Now, the characteristics of a good friend and a bad friend. Good friend always trustworthy, and bad friend cannot be trusted. Good friend always attentive listener, and bad friend does not listen to his friend. Good friend mature, and bad friend immature. Good friend show unconditional love, and bad friend show self-centered love. Good friend always good counselor, and bad friend put others down. Good friend show sympathetic and helpful attitude. Bad friend feels jealous. So in this class we have discussed about true friend and the importance about true friend. In the next class I will explain about the life in the richness of faith. I hope you understood everything. If you face any problem you can contact with me. Thank you, student.